The craziest car of 2026, a futuristic journey inside and out. Introduction. The future of automobiles is here. The year 2026 brings us some of the most advanced, mind-blowing car designs ever seen. Among them, one vehicle stands out, the craziest car of 2026. With its futuristic aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and jaw-dropping performance, this car is a game-changer. Let's take an in-depth look at its front, back, and the stunning interior that makes it truly one of a kind. A look at the front, a bold and aggressive design. The front of this 2026 beast is nothing short of revolutionary. Featuring sleek aerodynamics, the ultra-smooth bodywork reduces drag, ensuring maximum speed and efficiency. Futuristic LED headlights. Equipped with eye-controlled adaptive lighting, these lights adjust to the environment and even project navigation cues on the road. No traditional grille. With electric and hydrogen-powered engines taking over, the need for a conventional grille is eliminated, replaced by an ultra-modern digital display that can showcase messages, alerts, or even a personalized logo. The back, a glimpse into the future. The rear of this car is just as extraordinary as the front. Some standout features include holographic taillights. These lights create 3D projections, making the car more visible in all conditions. Dynamic aero panels. The back end is designed with moving aerodynamic elements that adjust based on speed and road conditions to optimize stability. Smart trunk system. Instead of a traditional trunk, this car uses a retractable storage compartment that expands based on cargo needs, making it more practical and versatile. Step inside, a cabin from another dimension. The real magic happens when you step inside. The interior is a technological marvel, featuring augmented reality dashboard. Instead of a standard touchscreen, the dashboard projects a 3D AR interface onto the windshield, providing real-time driving information, navigation, and entertainment options. AI-powered personal assistant. This car understands voice commands, learns your preferences, and even predicts your needs before you realize them. Zero-gravity seats. Designed for ultimate comfort, these seats provide a weightless experience, reducing fatigue during long drives. 360-degree glass roof. Offering an uninterrupted view of the sky, this feature creates an open and spacious feel, further enhanced by customizable tinting options. Performance. Speed meets sustainability. Not only does this car look like it's from the future, but it performs like it too. Some key specifications include electric hydrogen hybrid powertrain, combining the best of both worlds for a high-performance, eco-friendly drive. Self-healing tires. These innovative tires repair small punctures automatically, ensuring a longer lifespan and lower maintenance. Autonomous driving modes. Equipped with Level 5 autonomy, it can drive itself in all conditions, or you can take manual control for a thrilling experience. Conclusion. The craziest car of 2026 is more than just a vehicle, it's a glimpse into the future of mobility. With its breathtaking design, unparalleled technology, and cutting-edge performance, it redefines what we expect from an automobile. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a tech lover, this futuristic masterpiece is something to get excited about. Stay tuned to Motor Mania Hub for more exclusive car reviews and futuristic automotive insights. I've created a detailed article for your YouTube content. Let me know if you need any modifications or additional details.